Functions. A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single or related actions. Function is also named as methods and subroutines. For complex problem, the problem is being divided into smaller and simpler tasks during algorithm design. In the beginning of this presentation itself, I was telling about the problem, smaller and simpler tasks during algorithm design. If you have to do some big task means we have to split the task into small activities. That is called as a smaller and simpler task. Benefits of using functions: it will reduction in line of code. So line of code LOC will be reduced. Then code reusability we will utilize better readability and information hiding, easy to debug and test, improved maintainability. So function we will use in our program means or algorithm means it will reduce the writing code, and code reusability is also possible. Better readability we will get, and information hiding. Some of the abstraction of activities is possible to do, and easy to debug and test it. Easy to debug the problem and test the result also, improve the maintainability. Basic syntax: function underscore name, parameter, function statement, and definition. Algorithm for addition of two numbers. Again, I am giving the example for that function. Main function start, call the function add. Add it is comes under bracket, parenthesis, and start. Subfunctions add, function start, get a comma b values, add equal to add c equal to a plus b, print c start. Here start, call add functions and start, and add subfunctions like get a and b, c equal to a plus b, sorry, c equal to a plus b, print c and return. Examples: problem 1 and problem 2. Find the area of a circle of a radius r. Input to the algorithm: radius r of the circle. Expected output: area of the circle. Algorithm start, read, input the radius r of the circle. So step 3, area equal to pi star r star r. Calculation of area formula was implemented. Then print area and start. Right. Problem 2. Write an algorithm to read two numbers and find their sum. Input to the algorithm: first num1 and second num2. Expected output: sum of two numbers. Algorithm start, read, input the first num1, read, input the second num2. Sum equal to num1 plus num2. Calculation of sum and print sum and start. Problem 3. Convert temperature Fahrenheit to Celsius. Input to the algorithm is temperature in Fahrenheit. Expected output is temperature in Celsius. Normally, step 1 we will start the program. Read temperature in Fahrenheit F. So we will implement the formulas for the temperature in Fahrenheit. C equal to 5 divided by 9 star. Within bracket F equal F minus 32. Print temperature in Celsius and end. Problem 4. Find the largest between A and B. Input to the algorithm A and B. Expected output is largest A or B. Start, read A comma B. If A is less than B, then big equal to B, small equal to A. Print A is largest. Else big equal to A, small equal to B. Write display big, small and start. To determine a student average grade and indicate whether successful or failed, start, input, midterm and final. Average equal to mid minus term, mid hyphen term plus final divided by 2. To finding the average, we will calculate midterm plus final and divided by 2. So two exams are there, midterm exam and final exam. We will add it and divided by 2. If it is 3 exams, internal 1, internal 2, internal 2 and internal 3 means you have to add the 3 exams and divided by 2. If average less than 60, then print fail, else print success. If the students get Less than 60 means what will happen? We will display the fail. If it is greater than 60 means we will say it is a first class or success. Problem 6. Algorithm to find the largest value of any three numbers. Start read input A, B and C. Here we are using different operators. If A greater than or equal to B and A greater than or equal to C, then max A. If B greater than or equal to A and B greater than or equal to C and max B. If C greater than or equal to A and C greater than or equal to B, max C. Print max and A. Try to execute the program in your lab for a simple C program. It may be do the different result. And if you face any error, you try to solve that error. If you are afraid about the error means, then it automatically what will happen, your coding skill will be down. If you face n number of errors and try to solve that errors with the help of your coding knowledge, then you will get an idea. Students, please don't by heart your codings. Try to execute the coding with your observations. Then it is well and good for your career path. Thank you.